Hey, so here's how we're gonna do the newspaper roll. I love this activity. And so just I like using the full-size sheets of newspaper. And so you start at a corner, you gotta have a pencil. In my class, we use color pencils, and the students very often forget to remove the pencil. And so pretty soon you start realizing that you're losing pencils and their structures are extra tough. So what you do is you start rolling here at the corner here. And once you get a few rolls in, then you carefully slide your pencil out. Don't forget that part of it. And then you and your partner can continue to roll this. I like rolling them nice and tight. Usually mine got off here a little bit. Oh well. And so when you roll this, and these will become, since you're doing a tube structure, tubes are really, really strong structures, and you can end up making all sorts of stuff out of these. And roll this up. And so you have the students rolling these. And okay, mine didn't come out as tight as I like, but that's okay. Now, when you get to the end, the nice thing is that little part right there, you just need a tiny piece of tape. You don't need a big one. The students tend to want to use a really huge piece. You don't need much. Let's pull up a little bit. So now we've got this nice structure. And what's really nice about these, when you get another one, they slide. You can slide one inside the other. Let me see. There's a fine end there. Oh, there we go. So stick that in and just gently slide, and you can connect these together. Then one little piece of tape there will keep it together. So there's how you build one of these.